Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to downtown Johnson City. I am freezing so that you don't have to give you an update on the progress of the Victory Lofts apartments. The building looks fantastic. Like, if I had a guess, minus the windows, this is probably what it looked like back in the 30s or 40s or whenever it was built. I'll tell you the real year here if I find it. But yeah, no, this place looks beautiful. Before we get started, give the video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and support links for the channel are down below. And as usual, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would support the channel. Over on the Patreon side, I've revamped some of the tiers, and I'll be posting photos for the work I do, like the extra photos and stuff that I have over on Patreon. So yeah, let's go check it out.
No.
I was going to tell you guys what street I'm on, but someone jacked the street sign. So whatever street this is, we are directly in front of the new apartment complex. I'm not going to go any further because it says no trespassing, but look at the paint job on this place. It just looks really, really good. I'm trying really hard not to cough because I still have a little bit of a cough issue from being sick, but whatever. You can actually see into this apartment over here. This is the new affordable unit where instead of a window, you get a shower curtain. Just kidding. That's kind of funny, but also kind of sad. Looks like there's another affordable unit right there. And so from this perspective, it looks like the building's mostly done. On the other side, there's still like a little bit of concrete work and painting work to do. But yeah, the rest of it looks good. And then down there's that building I walked past in previous videos. I think someone commented that it was like an EJ fire prevention building. I'm probably butchering that, but something to do with EJ in that red brick building down there. Looks like they're putting a flagpole back up on the building, so that's really cool. And yeah, let's see if we can get I'll see if I can get you guys a different perspective on it next. Alright, so we're on the north side of the project now, just off Leicester Avenue. And as you saw in the drone footage, or will see in the drone footage, they have this really awesome banner hanging now. Same as the other side, the paint job's mostly done. There's just this last section over here that they didn't get to. I wonder if it's temperature related. And then one thing I'll point out is this top 5th floor, I actually read is going to be either retail, not retail, it's either going to be offices or some kind of recreational space, because it's not going to be apartments on that floor, which is kind of sad. I mean, I would want the top floor of the building just for the views, you know? But yeah, that pretty much takes care of the north side of the building here. Victory Shoe Factory, where history comes to life. So yeah, that's the north side of the building. And, you know, the other thing too is the people on this side of the building are going to be treated to some great views and terrible sounds from the railroad tracks, so kind of feel bad for them a little bit. And then there's all this empty land over here, or land that says it's for sale anyway. All right, one more project update for you. This is the beginning of the foundation work and maybe part of the first floor of the new Wilson expansion project. So let's go down here to the main gate and see if we can take a look. I was getting too cold, or I would have gotten some aerial shots for you too, but I had to call it quits. Also, I make these videos with what little spare time I have, so you know, sometimes I have to cut corners a little bit. But anyway, there's the formwork for part of the foundation, or part of the first floor. Actually, you know, given the looks of this part right here, I would say that this is going to be the ramp where you drive up to the main entrance like it shows in the renderings. I'll try to put a render on screen to show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's go up to the main gate here and see what we can see. So yeah, so far they've got a lot of framing going on, but this is going to be a pretty big expansion. So just wanted to take you guys over and show you what the site looks like again. It's 4:30. I thought they'd be wrapped up by now for the day, but I guess not. And you can see over there on the Decker Center, they're still doing some work to tidy up, and there's some scaffolding set up over there now. But yeah, there's that ramp. I think that's the beginning of the ramp that's going to lead up to the main entrance. So there's your update on the Wilson project. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.